welcome back to my channel. So I'm gonna take you around and show you everything that I got, and I totally revamped everything here for fall. And if you hear any noise in the background, it's my baby boy. And I'm gonna take you guys around, show you where I got things, and then I'm gonna let you enjoy the rest of the video. So here, those two signs I got from a store in my city here. It's called Didi Discount. Yeah, I almost forgot the name of it. The table I got from Ross. And I'm gonna take you guys inside of the living room, which I totally revamped again. If you saw my other house tour, everything is changed. Those blue pillows I got from Home Goods, and the throw blanket I got from Family Dollar. There goes my son. On my table, I have my remote control box, and I got this flower for fall. I love the color, makes it very warm and cozy. And yeah, I'm gonna take you guys around. And my entertainment center I got again from American Furniture Warehouse. And those, you see that light twinkling on the home sign? I actually got it from the dollar store for $1. So if you're interested, you can definitely head over. And yeah, I'm gonna let you guys enjoy the rest of the video. If you have any question, please let me know, and I will let you know where I got anything. And thank you guys. God bless you all. Bye bye.